Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I do want to show you how to crochet this very nice lacy stitch, which I think is really perfect for summer projects and also for handbags and very diverse. So let's just jump into it. This one is a sample that I did with a cotton yarn, DK yarn, but you can use any kind of yarn. It will be really nice. So let's just jump into it and let me show you how to crochet this pretty stitch. Once you have your yarn of choice and the matching hook, then I'm going to crochet a quantity of chain stitches. I do want to tell you that this stitch is a multiple of 2, which means that you're gonna have to have 2 stitches to create one of these patterns. So first we are going to crochet a row with single crochet. So I will skip the first chain and I will crochet a single crochet in the next chain. Once you have your foundation row, this with single crochet, then we're going to crochet 4 chain stitches. Then we're going to turn our work in the other side. Yarn over, and we're going to skip this stitch over here, and we're going to insert the hook at the second stitch, not the first hole, at the second one. Pull through, yarn over, insert in the next one, pull through, again yarn over, insert in the third one, pull through. So you're gonna have all these loops, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 loops on your hook. Now we are going to yarn over again, and we are going to pull through all those loops except the last one. Then we're going to do 1 chain stitch to the first loop. Then we're going to close these 2 loops, yarn over and close these 2 loops. So this is the first pattern. Then we're going to do 1 chain, yarn over. Now we're going to insert the hook right here where the last pattern finished. So we are not going to crochet one further, but actually at the same place where we finished this pattern. So insert the hook, pull through. So 1, yarn over, insert the hook at the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, and insert the hook at the third stitch, pull through, and you are going to have again 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all of them except the last one, then 1 chain at the first stitch, and then close the 2 together. This is the stitch that we are going to work. So let me show it to you one more time. 1 chain, yarn over, insert here at the where we ended the previous pattern, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, insert in the next stitch, pull through, again yarn over, and insert in the third one, and pull through. And you're gonna have 7 loops in this case. Yarn over and pull through the first 6 loops, then work 1 chain on the first loop, and then close the 2 loops. This is the pattern that you are going to follow until the end of the row. So let's do it again. And here we are. I came at the end. Here I'm going to do again 1 chain, and then I am going to crochet a double crochet. Right here I will skip this one, and right here I'm going to crochet 1 double crochet at the last stitch. And this is how the pattern looks like. So now how we're going to repeat this pattern, just one chain, turn your work, and then crochet one single crochet right here at the first stitch, then here at the hole one single crochet, and then here where we have the stitch one single crochet. And then you are just going to continue like this, one single crochet at the hole, one single crochet at the stitch, one single crochet at the hole, one single crochet at the stitch until the end. This is the base row to start this pattern on the coming row. Now here at the end, I'm going to crochet one single crochet inside and one single crochet here, inserting where we have the chain stitches, so that on the way back we can have the right amount of stitches. So now 4 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work like this. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to skip this stitch over here and insert at the second one. Pull through, again yarn over, insert in the next one, pull through, yarn over and insert in the third stitch. And now I will pull through the first 6, work one single crochet and then close the 2 loops together with a single crochet, one chain, and I'm going to continue the same. So insert at that last stitch that we crocheted, yarn over, insert in the next one. So we yarned over once and then insert in the next one, pull through, yarn over. This is the second stitch and the third one, and yarn over, pull through all the 6, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, close this 2. That's how am I going to continue until the end. So once I arrive at the end, one more chain, and then I'm going to do one double crochet at the last stitch. And this is how the pattern will look like. So I repeated this pattern 2 times. So you just keep working the same pattern. So you are going to do one foundation row, which is a single crochet, and then on the way back, the second row will give you this pattern. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I really hope you enjoyed this stitch, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!